I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical damage. Once done, remove the small trim pieces around the dash. Use plastic pry tools and work from the edges to release clips. You'll hear soft pops as clips release. Do not force. Keep screws and clips in a labeled container so you can track parts. If a clip resists, go back around and free adjacent edges. Steady pressure and patience prevent broken tabs and save time later when reinstalling the unit. You now unbolt the head unit. Remove the visible mounting screws, typically 4, using the correct driver. Once screws are out, pull the radio straight out about 2 to 3 inches so connectors are accessible. Support the chassis so it doesn't tilt. Disconnect the antenna cable first, then the main wiring harness by pressing the release tab while pulling straight out. Remove smaller plugs for steering controls, USB, and microphone. Keep screws and extra brackets together. Lay the unit on a soft surface to avoid scratching while you work. You finish by sliding the head unit fully out and inspecting the dash cavity for any loose screws or clips that could rattle. If installing a new unit, connect the wiring harness adapter and antenna, then test power with the battery still disconnected until you've confirmed pin alignment. Reconnect the battery last. Make sure the unit sits squarely before tightening screws. If the radio won't power up, check the vehicle and accessory fuses and verify harness pin assignments. Those fixes resolve most no-power problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.